how to prevent that $5,000 bill, $2,000 from happening. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about what is preventative maintenance. Preventative maintenance is in this name. Prevent maintenance from happening. You know what I'm saying? Because of the fact that if you start taking your car to schedule oil changes and schedule maintenance, this is where the technician or the mechanic can look over your vehicle every time it comes in, and they can tell you, hey, this, that, the third about your vehicle, and they'll be like, hey, they're recommending things so in the future your car would not break down and you not looking like, yo, hold on. Sometimes, you know, they overlook it, but if you tend to keep your car going to the same shop, like if you took your car to a Chevy because it's a Chevy, or a Hyundai because it's a Hyundai, Kia because it's a Kia, you know, yes, that's what its preventative maintenance is, because of the fact that it got to keep your car in tip-top shape so you can keep your car running for like 100,000, 200,000 miles, and you not looking like, yo, I got to pay this because of this, you know. So that's what preventative maintenance is. So they'll be inspecting your hoses, your lines, your brake lines, your brake pads, your tires, belts, all those things. They'll overall look over your car and be like, all right, this is good. This is the health of your vehicle. And instead of you waiting to the last minute and you looking like, yo, I got to pay off what? A $5,000 bill? $2,000? Nah, I'm trashing the car. How to prevent that from happening is taking your vehicle in for scheduled oil change, scheduled maintenance, so it wouldn't happen that way, because you'll be like, all right, cool, I'm good to go, and I know my car is good to go. You know your boy Artofspeedd stay taking the Genesis and the Elantra for scheduled maintenance, so, you know, because that's my investment, and we don't want nothing to happen to my second investment, because that get me from point A to B, and you don't want to be on the side of the road stranded. So yeah, but if you're enjoying this video, go to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our Artofspeedd family, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.